if you can see this, but there's a bunch of lights out over DIA. And they are not moving. They are not airplanes. I got this guy's lights securing it. Damn it. I don't know how to get this so you can see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them just hanging out there. And I cannot. There's 4 of them and one on the right. They're not moving. And that is not. Airplanes come out and sometimes they are right at you, but those are flashing. Now they're shifting. Where are they shifting?
Hey guys, this is Only the Truth with you all tonight. We're going to be going over this really interesting case I found. It happened in Arvada, Colorado. That's just to the northwest of Denver. And this guy is seeing 7 lights over the DIA, or Denver International Airport. These 7 lights, I mean, you can rule out Chinese lanterns, drones, because, you know, if you can't fly around your drones around the airport. I mean, you go to jail. Same thing with Chinese lanterns. You're lighting Chinese lanterns by an airport, you're going to be heavily fined and you're going to go to jail. So let's rule those 2 things out. So that only leaves you with airplanes. They could just be airplanes coming into land and they're in line, kind of waiting their turn just to land at the DIA. But you have to ask yourself, why are they all the same size? Okay, why are they blinking, as he says? Because if there were airplanes coming into land, they would have their lights on, their landing lights on, which are at the front of the airplane, and those would be blinding out the navigational lights, the red and the green lights on the wings. So you'd only be seeing the bright landing lights. So why are they flickering to him? I don't know. So are they airplanes? Probably, but you never know. And with all the weird stuff that we're seeing in skies as of recently, you could never be for certain. That's why I wanted to share this case with you all. Thought it was interesting. Anyways, guys, this is Only the Truth signing out. Have a good night.